time to practice. We will be deployed.
Yeah, can you send me some dogs now, please? If I get more kills than you this match.
Hostiles dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Come on, bro. If I get more kills than you this whole match.
Dropping into the AO. In our training. Now face the enemy for real. Resurgent. Stay alive to keep your squad in the fight. Set a drop point for your squad, soldier.
Hurry up before Jake marks. Let's go. That Jake.
Hostile UAV active.
The one guy that was on top, he was not one shot.
My mom's a whore.
Jake, you're gonna get banned, boy. I guess it was make believe.
Stand by for redeployment.
Yes, bro, you have some terrible headphones. What are you talking about? You have a bass in your thing?
Need this go round.
Oh, you faggy. AJ, get out of here. He has a UAV on you.
That's not AJ, that's Urban.
Bro, Jake, did you see the new trailer for the new zombies coming out?
Yeah.
That thing's so fire.
You have reinforcements inbound.
I might just play zombies a lot more.
Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done.
Wow. The train just took me out.
Hostile UAV overhead.
How you have a kill, Dad?
Hostile UAV active. You have reinforcements inbound. Objective is to eliminate all bounty targets. Our UAV.
Come on, stop just standing around.
Find out the rest of them. Your team is in the safe zone. Primary objective complete. All targets eliminated.
Why did I get a offensive chat penalty? What did I do?
He's talking too much.
Bruh. This is so BS. I already have like 4 penalties and they're gonna give me more than I already have.
Listen, hold on, coach.
Bruh, they thought I was Jake or something.
Gas mask.
Loadout drop headed your way.
They're fighting on the roof.
Target down. Marking the rest of them. Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your TAC map. Get hunting.
Hostile UAV active.
Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the sky.
In this area.
Making effective fire.
Get me!
Hey, all you guys that one guy? I just got done killing 2 guys right here on me.
Your squad mate's back on station. Good work.
Yeah, bro, I'm gonna die. There's one guy here. Testing out my new shotty. Yeah, I had both of them. What? What's the shotgun called? It's called the 7, it's like the 7225,
Hostile UAV overhead.
You can, it's obvious to tell which
Friendly
shotgun it is.
UAV online.
Yeah, they're on us.
Friendly UAV on station.
Jeez, we got all that. He's under that.
Target spotted.
Under.
One's on the roof. 2's on the roof, and then one's on the ground floor.
Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done.
That one's knocked. That on me.
Inbound. March remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down.
Hostile UAV in this sector.
Kill confirmed.
He's one shot, dude. Bruh. That's why you're not supposed to rush in there.
Be advised, enemy operators are tracking your location.
I know.
Time for vengeance. You're redeploying. Your squad mate's back on station. Good work.
Dad, no one watches your stream, right? 0 viewers? Dude, you get 0 viewers. Well, you're bad anyway. Penalty says you know. What the heck? Look at
Enemy destroyed. Use your TAC map to hunt down the rest of them.
this. Really, bruh?
Hostile mortar strike incoming.
Hey, you hear your mic up?
Fire still active. Buy station prices have been reduced.
Hostile UAV active.
You have reinforcements inbound. Bounty target group has been marked. Kill them all. Enemy soldier incoming.
So, Dad, if we really want to shoot the shotgun, you have to like... go in there, Tom.
Hostile wants the mortar strike. Find cover.
Watch your 6. Resurgence window is ending. Target down. Marking the rest of them. Over. Adjusting prices. Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your TAC map. Get ready. You're redeploying.
Friendly mortar strike on the way.
Evaded the enemy trackers. Good work.
Which
Good
one?
kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your TAC map.
No, they didn't.
Get
I'm
hunting.
using it right now. They
Be
don't know
advised,
something
you
that
have
they just
teammates
lied.
outside the window. Squad mates redeployed.
Hostile UAV overhead.
Target down. Marking the rest of them. Enemy destroyed. Use your TAC map to hunt down the rest of them.
Watch for movement. Thanks. This area's been looted.
Kill confirmed. We've located the rest
Jay,
of them.
far left, Jay, far left door, far left door.
Caliber rounds here.
Took a round. Semtex
Mark remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down. Resurging. Go get your revenge. Resurging destroyed. No more second chances.
Got movement. X-ray marked.
Oh, come on.
All targets are KIA. Solid work.
We have an ammo box here.
Taking effective fire!
Area's hot. Target mark. Got a custom weapon here. X-ray marked.
The enemy took that one, but we will be back to finish the job.
Dad, go back to lobby, Dad. Go back to lobby, Dad.
Gas is moving.
Go on them. Dad. Go to the recommended guns, and those are all the metas. Dad, do you see them? Dad? Yeah, all of them, even ARs, battle rifles, SMGs, shotties, LMGs, and then those are all the ones that they buffed as well. You guys can start it. I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
Alright, I'm back, boys. Yeah, the Packers got their ass with 24-3, man. Shit. Yeah. Oh shit, I can watch it from my phone. Yeah, oh yeah.
At Domino's, there's an endless debate. Does adding pepperoni to make it better? Yeah. Debate over. Introducing Domino's new pepperoni stuffed cheesy wraps. For a limited time, get it free with online delivery after just 2 orders with new Domino's rewards.
Warm up while you can. We will deploy soon. Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Subtitles on.
Preparation is done. Now you deploy to the war zone.
Man, Lions looking like the real deal this year, man. Fucking sorry ass Lions.
Alright, let's go.
Sir.
Packers won?
Hell no, we're gonna ass with 24-3.
Resurgence.
What, the Lions are
Time to
leading?
redeploy fallen
Oh,
teammates.
Lions are
Kill
winning.
to bring them back faster. Mark a
Wow,
drop
look
point
like
for your
the
squad.
real deal this
Bring
year.
them in.
What about boys? Yes, sir.
Bro, I hate one.
Damn, I like this map. This map's pretty fun.
I like the other one. The camp one. The big map one that they made.
Big one. Big map.
Enemy soldier incoming.
We got one underneath us, Jake.
Hostile UAV active.
Damn, this shit's a little up here.
Enemy squad is tracking your position. You're back on station. Get after it.
They're taking me to play.
Huh?
Shit, Jake, I think you muted, fool.
Our
Do you have
UAV is
extras?
orbiting the area.
You got 2 extra packs.
Military
Oh
mark.
wow. Yeah, they be like $5 a piece. It's kind of expensive. For those.
Inside the
wow.
building,
You should
Jake.
bought like
On the
you should
bottom.
have bought a lot of them and then sell them on OfferUp for more.
Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on
Dad,
your
whole
attack
team right here, Dad.
map. Get hunting.
On the launcher.
Come on, defense.
Hostile
Step the
UAV
hell up.
overhead.
What, they on you, fool?
Yo!
Both of them, bud. kind of fucking gun is this? Jake, on me, on me. Y'all stay locked and still yep.
Gas inbound.
He's on the stairs on the
Squad
second
mates
floor.
back on station.
Yep,
Good
yep.
work.
Alright.
Down that hallway, AJ.
Damn. Ooh, this guy got some good movement.
Time for vengeance. You're redeploying.
428.
Advise you move to the safe zone now.
Back to this area. Come on, defense, step up. 30 and 20. There we go, Quay Walker.
You have reinforcements inbound.
Niggas hit it, man.
Your squad mates back on station. Good work.
Targets in the area.
Same guy,
Hostile
Jake?
UAV in this sector.
Yep, same guys.
Bro, I almost killed him, but I had only had 2 plates and he had 3.
Friendly low.
He's still over there. Yep.
Yeah, he's over there whooping my dad up.
2 of them. Jeez, these motherfuckers just gonna chase me, motherfuckers. Oh, this guy is a.
You're back on station. Get after it.
And he's marking us. Damn. Okay, okay. This guy's gonna use the black Noir scan. Bro, did we get it? It's our ball.
Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done.
Hostile UAV overhead.
Fucking Jalen Reed.
Hostile UAV in this sector.
Target down. Marking the rest of them.
Target marked.
Of course, our freaking loadouts in the circle.
Supply crates have been restocked.
You can't
Load up.
shoot in the water, fool?
Only if you have pistol.
Fuck.
Stand by for redeployment.
I had a gun the whole time.
Your
Man,
squad
these
mates
guys
back on
just...
station. Good work.
One saw you, bud. Yeah.
Finish them.
Are you guys still landing over there? One right here, Jake, right here. And one inside the building.
Bastard!
You have
What? Oh
reinforcements
shit.
inbound.
Man, we got a ball, Jake.
Researching.
Real quick.
Go get your revenge.
I'm going back. I'm going here.
I detect.
This team is pretty good, huh?
Yeah,
They're like 3, like... Yeah. Gotcha.
You're losing ground. You're getting another chance. Make it count.
You guys got any vision on this lounge?
Hostile UAV in this sector.
Your team made it to the
Dude,
safe zone.
this team's only killing us because we don't get our loadout.
Hey, I cracked him. Down right on top of you.
Our mortar
It's a black
strike is
no
inbound.
skin. Oh, good. That's a good airstrike. Good airstrike.
How did we still beat you?
Unit medical.
Yeah.
Finish the job.
They're moving
AJ, right.
together. Oh, I see Bud. Yep. Bud, you're in here too.
Yep. I can't push because that's not.
Now push it back to you. Cover me. Cover me. Yep.
I'm gonna move in.
Left side. Left side. Left side. On the bottom. On the bottom.
Get ready. You're redeploying.
Ooh, okay. Under you.
Check. He's scrapped me. My bad. Bud, he's scrapped.
AJ behind you, AJ.
Get him out of there. Bud,
Your
one more.
attack to hunt down the rest of them.
Right here. Just
Got him.
Located the rest of them.
one more on top.
Second floor.
Need help.
Oh shit. Yep.
He's coming.
Whoa. What the? Whoa. What was that? Throw something.
Of course, Dad.
What did he throw at me? Oh, he threw a knife. Fucking Zora 28, man. Let's take this.
Warm-up is over. Stand by for deployment to the war zone.
Five seconds to the release point.
Resurgence. Stay alive to keep your squad in the fight.
Where we going, boys? Where we going?
Set a drop point for your squad, soldier.
Check everybody here.
Bro, who's Bobby W?
Probably yours. Where we going, boys? Where we going? We playing against this. Oh, right there, yep. I want to get some strikes, man. Oh shit, a whole bunch of them right here.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
They're like actual sweat, bro.
Shit's good though. I need the experience. Oh, this is good, guys.
Be advised, there is an enemy squad hunting for you.
Why would you say that?
Oh, so this ISO Hemlock is a good gun. Or the ISO 45 machine gun.
Well, both ISOs are really good.
Oh, Oh, yep. Syntax. Did I see the enemy already? Oh, yep.
Need rockets.
Hey, fool, watch out. Right across from you. Right here.
Got that.
Across the bridge.
Marked remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down.
Oh, I think it's the bounty team. Yeah, what is he shooting me for? Jake, there, yep. Yeah, they're shooting at Jake right now.
They have a
Oh,
loadout.
shit.
They have a loadout right here in front of you, AJ.
Jake, you got a smoke? You got? Oh, right in
Your
front of
squad
me.
mates back on station. Good work.
Two guys right there to your right, Jake.
No, I'm moving freely now. I have my. I was charging my controller. It was hindering me, bro.
Oh, yep. Those guys hella pushed me, man.
Hostile
You
UAV
guys
overhead.
suck, dude.
Yeah, we
Squad
could
mates
get him.
redeploying. Well done.
Come on, defense, step it up, man.
On me
No,
right here.
they're on Bud right here.
I'm snaking him.
Gas is closing in.
Yep, they're on Bud, literally on Bud. The whole team
Got
on.
one. Got one.
Shit, they got a sniper in this building right here. Damn. I'm gonna shut over there. Yeah, no.
Friendly UAV on station.
You have reinforcements inbound.
Yeah, I need to get me a good gun,
Moving
man.
here. Requesting close air.
Head
Target
to the safe
marked.
zone now.
Copy that. Phoenix 2-3 is on
Shit,
station.
I'm gonna take the
Track
chopper in
inbound.
this one.
Target
I'm
down.
moving.
Marking the rest of them.
No hits on that round.
Damn, looks like this faggots already looted this whole place.
Mortar support incoming.
Hostile UAV active.
Yep.
Planting support.
Use your gas mask to hunt down the rest of them. Enemy soldier incoming.
They're here already. They're in the first floor, the same floor you on.
On target. Moving here.
Moving to the rest of them.
Live ping, they're inside, yep.
Behind me. UAV overhead.
Shit. These motherfuckers here.
Your squad mates back on station. Good work. Your squad mates redeploying. Well done.
Yeah, you
I'm
can now
gonna
look
load
at
up.
Last remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down.
I have that robot talking to
Enemy
me.
here.
Hey,
Come on,
behind
really?
me, bro. He's one shot.
Yeah, right here.
Roger,
Damn. Right here on the road by our loadout. Whole squad one just fell in the water. One's by the bridge shooting.
Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your attack map.
Yeah, loadout outside for the fleet.
Hostile UAV
Yeah, we're
active.
getting our ass whipped, man.
Target down. Marking the rest of them.
Taking fire.
Right here, right here.
Enemy destroyed. Use your attack map to hunt down the rest of them.
Black Norris skin, but
Enemy dropping into the AO.
I cracked him. He's
We are
one shot.
returning you to the front. Earn this.
This is enemy territory. Keep it tight. Enemy marked.
Blood on me.
He is confirmed. We've located the rest of them.
He's down.
Where you at? Where you at? Good stuff.
I got him on the street.
Marked remaining operators from
He sees behind us.
Hunt them down.
Behind us, over there. One more shot right here. He got his loadout.
Wow.
Finish this one.
Pick me up. Pick me up.
Marking the
AJ,
rest
AJ.
of that squad on your attack map.
Cover me, Dan.
Get hunting.
Hey, one's in the water food to the left.
Kill rounds.
But gotta get up real quick. Finish these scrubs.
Hostile UAV in this sector.
Somebody
Hostiles
just jumped on the
dropping into
loadout.
the area. Watch the skies.
Yep, on the loadout. He's right. Good shit.
Hostile UAV
Kill the
Left side, left side.
locate the rest of them.
Bud, where are you?
Let my dog eat him.
Good kill.
He
Marking
went in the
rest of
building,
that
in
squad
the
on your
building on the
attack map.
bottom floor.
Get hunting. You got gas moving in.
I ain't got no vision. Where you go?
Enemy destroyed. Use your attack
Good
map to hunt
shit.
down the rest of them.
Where they at, fool? Oh,
Moving here.
Move to the safe zone.
enemigos on this side of the bridge. Whole team, fool, whole team. They're gonna try to hold us.
We got an armor box here.
I'm going left with Jake.
I'm getting lit
Oh
up.
shit, there's a team on the far left too.
Hostile UAV
Yeah.
in this sector.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Hostile UAV overhead.
Bitch,
Mark
get
the
your ass out
remaining
of the game.
operators from that squad.
Oh,
Hunt them
they
down.
shot me from the left. Hey, watch out, sniper on the far left.
Hostile UAV active.
You have reinforcements inbound. Target down. Marching the rest of them.
Juanito, man. Stupid gay boy.
Hostile UAV
What was
in
he
this
at there on
sector.
top of the... Oh shit. Damn. Take that. Behind this window.
Fire sale is active.
No, you
Buy
can sit
station
in the
prices
water.
are adjusted.
If you go on the... If you,
Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done. Stand by for redeployment. Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your attack map. Get hunting. Resistance is about to end. Make it count.
Hostile UAV overhead.
Enemy soldier incoming. Fire sales done. Prices are back to normal.
Oh, there we go.
Launcher ammo marked.
Gas is moving.
Somebody's landing on top of me.
Enemy destroyed. Use your attack map to hunt down the rest of them.
Somebody's shooting straight ahead. Got me pinned down.
Taking effective fire.
Guns right here. Fool, you need a shotty.
Hostile airstrike incoming.
Friendly
Get
ammo.
inside, boys. Airstrike.
precision, now it's gonna get you guys. It's gonna...
Oh, shit, yo, yeah.
Wall bang.
Oh, yeah.
Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Yep.
Be careful with the guy flew. Oh, shit. Yep.
Be advised, resurgence is no longer active.
That's it.
This is for keeps.
Cheers.
Take care of 2 plates. Oh, yeah.
Found some armor here.
Oh, yeah. Come on. I wouldn't do this. Check this. Hey, right there, one shot.
Okay, you're
Good
good now.
shit, Jake. Good shit. Yep.
Dad.
I'm hit!
Oh.
Second, put some mines down here.
You got extra plates or no?
Yeah, I got
Enemy dropping
play
into the
box.
AO.
Oh yeah, I need that.
Okay, pick up.
You got
Re-up right here,
that
re-up right
yourself.
Hey, there's some mines right here too.
Where?
I'll pick it up.
Oh yeah, that's Jake.
Advise you move to the safe zone now.
I got an airstrike. Just
Oh,
let
on
me know.
top. He's
Oh,
dead
shit.
on top. Jake, push on top. Got the kill.
Good stuff. Oh
Hostile
shoot!
mortar strike incoming.
Mortar strike! Get away!
25 are left. Stay sharp out there.
Damn, these bastards, man! They're shooting from everywhere.
Enemy soldier
Somebody jump
incoming.
in, bud. Get ready.
Hostile UAV in the sector. Friendly mortar strike.
Hey, we have to
incoming.
jump through here.
He's cracked right here. Good stuff.
Go.
There we go, boys. His teammate's still in here. Hold on, let's see, bud.
No.
Get higher ground, bud. Get higher ground. That guy's cracked right there. Got him. Thank you for your gun, punk. And the gas mask with us is RPK.
Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Enemy jumping in.
Enemy down.
Got him out the game.
Friendly UAV online.
Whoa, hey, one right
Safe zone
there.
is far from your location. Advise you get moving.
Possible enemy here.
There.
Drop inbound.
Oh my god.
Hit!
Hostile UAV active.
Top roof right here. He's cracked on the roof. Hey, two guys right here.
Precision airstrike. Get to cover.
You were 1 of 10 remaining. They hit us hard that time, but we will settle the score. Gas is closing in.
He's thinking shit right now. Yeah, they do 86 cents.
Check weapons and gear. We're holding for deployment. Enemy soldier incoming. Training is over. Time to see what you have learned.
Time to lock it in, boys.
Resurgence. Survive and your team can reload. Eliminate targets to bring them back faster. Alright, soldiers. Target drop point for your squad.
Call it, what we doing?
So you guys, man, you guys.
Go to City Hall.
City Hall. Yep, yes sir. Let's do it.
We're getting sweaty ass lobbies for the Daniel fucking KDR. That's why, bro. That is literally why we're getting fucking sweaty ass lobbies.
Some tough ass guys, man. Oh shit, this guy's that big.
This guy does.
Hostile UAV overhead.
Your squad mates back on station. Good work.
I'm a statue here. Marked an SMG.
Bud, you back? Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, y'all was fucking them up.
Bounty targets are up.
Dude,
Take
I
them
just
down.
picked up the ISO gun. I'm gonna get food, man.
Fog is lifting. Watch for
Oh, the
enemy
blueprint
movement.
one?
No, so I don't even know food, to be honest.
Oh yeah, you've been out of Call of Duty commission for a minute.
Oh man, I don't know what guns is good, man. I just pick up any that has like a 4-star, I don't think it's good. 4 little slots.
The 4 attachments?
Yeah. Snipers are still sorry in here, or they're good?
It
Hostile
depends.
UAV in the sector.
Oh shit, 1-shot sniper?
Hostile UAV overhead.
Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
We get our ass whooped, dog. 27-3.
We almost got enough for loaded.
Gas is moving.
Sure. Shit. I'm shooting that fool.
Strike in the air.
Operators from that squad. Hunt them down.
One's dropping in on us.
You see him? You got visual on him?
Being tracked by an enemy.
Inside.
Yep.
Target down.
Dropped
Marking
him.
the rest of them.
But here, you guys.
We've located the rest of them.
Look, right there to your right. He's cracked.
I'm getting lit off!
Look at that fucking spawn station or some shit.
Mate!
Right here.
Moving here.
Time for vengeance. You redeploying. Target down. Marking the rest
Oh,
of
his
them.
team is out of there. Let's go on the main road. Turn around. Frag out.
Ooh, he's right here.
Operators from that squad. Hunt them down. Enemy destroyed. Your path back to hunt down the rest of them.
They're still there.
What the hell was that? Is that like a... On me! On me! Oh shit, you guys...
No, I just spawned it in.
Ah! This motherfucker got me, dog. He got his loadout. Be careful.
Behind us. He went that way.
Contract failed. You're out of time.
Friendly airstrike on the way.
You guys got
You have
the
reinforcements inbound.
Hey, is it worth it to get ghost or no?
Yeah, that's what I do.
Our mortar
Okay.
strike is inbound.
Because I can use the pistol in the water.
One guy in the smoke. Sit your ass down.
Marking the rest of that squad on your attack
Damn, you
map.
ain't lying.
Get
Oh,
hunted.
there's a whole team here. There's two right there on my body.
Hostile UAV in this sector.
Down one.
Kill confirmed. We've
Hey,
located the rest
this
of them.
sniper is pissed. What the hell sniper is this?
Stun grenade out!
Hey, is loading clear?
Ooh, I'm gonna have to level that gun at the SP something.
Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done.
One is strangler right here. Oh shit. But oh,
Kill confirmed. We've located the rest of them.
Don't run, bitch.
Get ready. You're redeploying.
Oh, he's right here. Where's my... Oh, he's marking me. Kill that bitch.
Enemy dropping into
Fuck
the
him, he's
AO.
rushing.
Target down. Marking the rest of them.
where?
I need a revive. I need
I
a
got you,
revive.
I got you. Cover me. Or for word.
Hostile
Thank you.
UAV active.
Yes, sir.
Remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down.
Check, he's one shot right here. This guy's one shot. On me.
Enemy destroyed.
Taking fire over here.
Hunt down the rest of them. Hostile UAV
Oh, he's right
overhead.
there. He's hiding behind the bar. I'll
Oh,
pick myself up.
I need the SP.
Target right here.
God damn, sniper's
bud.
pretty damn good, dog. Please let me get that sniper back.
Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your attack map. Get resurging. Go get your revenge.
That ain't want to rotate. Hey, easy, you're in the gap.
Taking a
Back on station. Good work.
DJ, is that you, DJ? Yeah, I think you ought to rotate it out.
We gotta move more. We're staying in one spot too much.
Yeah.
You're back on station.
Go fuck
Get
yourself.
after it.
Clear where you're at, too?
March remaining operators from that squad.
Hey, one in front of you,
Hunt
Jay.
them down.
Hostile UAV in this sector. Hostile UAV overhead.
Yo, I could drop when you got the plate.
Hostile UAV active.
Right there on the bridge, two guys.
Armor here.
I'm coming back here.
check fire! Check fire!
Down one with a pistol. Oh, shit, take one more. Oh, you got me with the bust out.
Inbound.
One of them is down, pretty small. He's one. Oh, yeah. One on me, one on me. Ah, these
fuck
motherfuckers.
yourself.
I'm over. This guy's got load up and shit.
Kill confirmed. We've
Come
located
on,
the rest of
Keyshawn
them.
Nixon, take it to the house. We need a fucking jump start. There we go. Ooh. Bud getting some lucky guns over here.
Watch your six. Resurgence window is ending. We are returning you to the front. Earn this. Fire sales over. Adjusting prices.
Shit, I'm gonna land where Dan's at.
Yep.
Target
Come
marked.
on. DJ or Bud, what the fuck? Who's playing?
I don't know.
What are you doing over there?
Got gas moving in. Move to the safe zone. Your squad mate's back on station. Good work.
Ooh, stadium's a hot one. That roof is killer right now.
Yeah, I see them. Oh no, what the fuck are you doing?
Hostile UAV
Hey, there's an M4
overhead.
right here. Golden M4. If you need it.
Weapon here.
I'm rotating with Dan. AJ.
Peek, punk. Peek,
Targets in the
peek,
area.
punk. Crack one right
Let him
here.
on the road.
Hostile UAV active.
Resurgence is closed. No more second chances.
Oh, shit, Bruce.
Oh, you guys are 2-4.
Hostile
split.
UAV in this sector.
There's,
Got movement.
yeah, but I see him.
Where the fuck did that come from?
Bitch. Well, so we got food. Shit, they're hella got the. I ain't got no place. So I think we might have to go to the water, stay low. Looks like these fools are
Head to the
they're
safe
fighting
zone
on top
now.
of the roof. Yeah. I'm gonna roll. You gonna stay in the water? Alright, I'm with you.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Oh, straight ahead, straight ahead. Down one.
25
It's
are still
down
active
two.
in the AO.
One more in the building. Yep. We got food.
There's two in there. There's two in there.
Oh,
25 remain. We lost that one, but we'll come back stronger next time.
I got you.
Your stream on?
come on, Pack.
Daniel?
Damn, Jordan Love. What the fuck is going on?
Daniel?
Oh shit, I got an offensive chat warning. You ever got that one before? What the fuck did I say?
No.
Chat, how do you turn off proximity chat?
Oh, that's probably why they can hear us.
Yeah, how you turn that shit off, fool?
Go to start and go to your settings. Go to audio.
Setting. Audio.
Go to party.
Yeah,
And proximity chat only.
What about last words, voice chat? Turn that off. Or keep that?
I just put it to where only people in your current party can hear. So I put party only.
How you do that? Oh, game voice channel party only. Yeah. Is your last words voice chat on though?
Yeah, that one's on.
Okay, cool. Man, them motherfuckers, they don't fucking flag me, man. That's the first time
Hey,
that
Daniel,
happened.
I wonder if Daniel's stream is on.
I think it is. It says your chat activity violates our code of conduct. Further reports will result in additional measures being applied to your account. We know what the hell.
You and Bud got a warning.
Oh, Bug out too?
Yeah, Bud got a warning last game. The one before this one.
Yeah, we got some fairies, man. Some damn fairies reporting us, man.
Well, yeah, because it's not the old COD where you can sit here and say whatever the fuck you want.
Shit,
Hey,
I didn't
Daniel,
even know
is your stream on?
Yeah, you gotta turn your proximity off, damn fool.
Damn.
Yeah, I just turned mine off so those fools don't hear